Hey there everyone, back again with another video. So in this video we're gonna solve again the competitive program. So this is the most easiest question you will see, or I think you have also solved this type of question in your college also, because in some of the lectures they ask you how to do this. So the question is, we have to move all the negative numbers given in an array to one side. Okay, either you can move it to left side also, you can move it to right side also. So I'm gonna move it to left side, but you can use the same logic to move the elements to the right side. Okay, so the best way, the first thing after seeing this is, you can come to your mind, then we can short the element. Okay, we can short the array and all the negative. If I wanna do everything to right side, then if I short the array, then all my negative numbers will be shifted to left, and all the positive numbers will be, or all the non-negative numbers will be shifted to my right side. But we know that the best algorithm for shorting also has a time complexity of order of n log n. We have order of n log n. Okay, and this is the thing of, I think it's merge short, quick short, and other stuff. We have some shorting that goes in the order of n times. It's counting short, radius short, bucket short. But we know that they have some limitations. We cannot have that stuff. So uh, and what I want to do is that I want to solve everything in order of n. One of the other limitation with this thing, that if I solve everything using the shorting algorithm, then my sequence will be the sequence will not be there, because currently I have -7, -1, -2, and if I short everything, then I will get that -2 minus, sorry, -7, -2, -1, and I don't want that. I want that my output should give me -7, -1, -2, and then after that it should give us 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 1. But after sorting, it will arrange everything in ascending and descending order according to your sorting algorithm. So I don't want to do that. So for this thing, what I will do, I will directly go with the loop. I will say that let I is equal to 0, and I less than array dot length and I plus plus, and just I will just check if array at I is less than 0. I'm just checking for the negative numbers. So what I will do, I will say that let my I is at this point, and my I is at index 1, sorry, index 0. So what it will do, it will check whether it is negative or not. If it is negative, let's say that my index is at -7, so it is negative. And now what it will do, it will, because the exact location of -7 is at the point of 1, I want to swap 1 and -7. So for that, I will say that I will have a variable at the index 0. So I will have j at this point. Okay, and now I will swap elements between them. But before that, I will also check that if my I is not equal to j. Okay, let's say that I have -7 at the starting point, and I don't want -7s to be interchanged. So I will check that if my I is not equal to j, and if this is the case, then we will swap. Let t is equal to array at index I, then array at index I should be equal to array at index j, and array at index j is equal to t. And after that I will just increment the value. Okay, the point this thing is done, it has swapped everything. I will move my j to 2. Okay, and I will again move forward with the index. I will go to other steps, and I will see that which element is negative or not. Now I come at the -1, then I will interchange -1 and the 2, and again I will increase this value to this point. Okay, and again I will do all this stuff. And after that, if I print what is the value of my array or my program, so I can see that, let me run this node move all negative element to one side. Okay, so I have a oh sorry, I have to remove this. So you can see that we have an output of -7, -1, -2, that is in the order that we have given, and after that we have everything at the place. Okay, so we can do this because our motive was only on the negative number. So you can say that we have just our positive numbers are not at my place, but my point was to only on focus on the negative number, so we can do it right like this. Secondly, we can do it another way, like we can create a array and we can remove every element from this array, and we can go with the other stuff. But this is the thing in which we can move all the negative numbers to one side. Here I'm not focusing on the non-negative numbers. So that's all for. So I want you all to do the same. I want you all to modify this program, and let's see how to, what you can say, maintain the order of non-negative numbers also, because in our output a non-negative number don't have the order. Okay, because if I want the order according to just focusing on the negative number, so it will be -7, -1, -2, and after that it doesn't matter what is the output. But if your focus, if you, what is your what you can say homework is to give me the output of this, that I want everything in this order. Okay, so this should be the output of our program. Okay, so modify this thing. It is a very little change in this program. You have to just modify this thing to get this answer. If you get this answer, uh, write down in the comment section below, or write your answer and tag me in the Instagram. I will definitely look back to you. That's all for today. Thank you.